As a healthcare professional, it's no secret to you that poor diet is one of the leading risk factors for heart disease in Australia. What your patients eat and drink can have an impact on several heart disease risk factors, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, weight, and diabetes risk. What's great for your patients, though, is that you can support them to make changes to their eating habits so that their food choices positively contribute to their heart health and still taste delicious. To help your patients with a heart-healthy eating pattern, the latest research recommends that you encourage them to incorporate a variety of nutritious whole foods. This includes fruit, vegetables and whole grains, healthy protein choices, including fish, eggs and legumes, alongside dairy and healthy fats. Australian Eggs have put together dietitian-approved 7-day meal plans that you can provide to your patients to help them easily form balanced eating patterns. Download the meal plans from australianeggs.org.au/healthcare professionals today.